Today, we're back with another exciting Camp Nou stadium update, where construction continues at an impressive and fast-moving pace. From the third tier nearing completion to the compression ring taking strong structural shape, every section is evolving step by step. We're also seeing major progress in Gol Norte, where ceramic lamas are transforming the entire look of the stadium. So let's dive straight into today's full update and see how far this project has really come. Friends, today I'll bring you an interesting roof update, and in the visuals you can clearly see how the structure is developing step by step. The compression ring is steadily expanding around the stadium, gradually forming the circular shape that will define the entire roof system. As the work continues, more elements are being added across the structure, giving a clearer idea of how impressive the stadium will look once completed. Each stage reflects strong progress and a remarkable transformation on site. In the final view, the roof design gives a powerful and realistic preview of what will become a truly iconic and world-class roof system at Camp Nou, showcasing the scale, ambition, and architectural beauty of the final result. Looking ahead, Camp Nou is expected to reach full completion by 2027, and once finished, it will host around 105,000 fans, creating one of the most breathtaking football atmospheres in the world. The third tier is now almost fully completed, marking a major milestone in the project. The full seating structure is in place, and the scale of this level is now clearly visible. With construction done, work has moved into the finishing phase. Crews have started sealing the joints between seats, which is the next key step before waterproofing and final detailing. The third tier is now moving steadily towards full completion. This is the moment where the stadium truly starts to feel real and closer than ever to welcoming fans. Inside the stadium, the VIP lounge areas are now looking truly impressive. The space is clearly taking shape and already reflects the world-class quality expected from this project. This development shows that the new Camp Nou is not just a football stadium. It's being built as a complete elite-level entertainment destination, offering a premium experience unlike anywhere else in Europe. At the same time, important work is happening in the kitchen areas. Insulation is being installed, which is a key step in preparing these spaces for large-scale professional catering operations. Proper insulation ensures efficiency, functionality, and high performance regardless of external conditions. Alongside this, plastering work has also started, showing steady progress toward completion. The compression ring is showing impressive progress, and today's update highlights another major step forward in its development. With multiple sections now installed, the structure is steadily taking shape and becoming one of the most dominant features of the stadium. The latest box, carefully lifted into position, is now being precisely aligned and fixed to the radial beam. Workers are actively tightening bolts and securing connections, ensuring everything fits with high accuracy. Alongside this, cranes and support systems continue working smoothly, reflecting strong coordination on site. Overall, the compression ring is advancing at a solid pace, and each new section brings the stadium closer to its final structural form. Gol Norte is showing strong and visible progress, with ceramic lamas now clearly transforming the look of this section and giving it a more defined stadium identity. Over the last 24 hours, work has moved closer to the super pillar zone, with the structure steadily taking shape, although a few finishing parts are still pending. Overall, this area continues to develop in a smooth and impressive way. The compression ring is moving ahead with steady progress, as another large structural box is carefully lifted and positioned on site after complete safety checks. The operation is slow and controlled to ensure perfect accuracy during the lift. The 9-meter element is guided into place using cranes and cables, while workers make precise adjustments to maintain proper alignment, especially during the rotation phase. Finally, the box is securely settled onto its custom supports, marking another smooth and important step forward in the stadium's construction. In the area around the corner, the concrete pump is working on completing the remaining upper pillars using the elephant trunk hose for precise concrete placement. In the tribuna sector, a support structure is being prepared for a large screen installation that will add more dynamism to the stadium. Meanwhile, in Gol Norte, more platforms are now in place around the superstructure, with Tower Crane 5 actively working across the area and decorative installation phases getting closer. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. The stadium is clearly making strong progress, From the third tier to the compression ring and Gol Norte transformation, every area is steadily moving closer to its final shape. We'll be back soon with more exciting progress updates. Stay tuned for the next update.